morning friends. I am Anjali Sandeep Chintaman from Chapadgaon High School, Chapadgaon. I am teaching you a 10th standard lesson, his first point, unit first, subunit 1.5. Now we have to see that it is a story of a little seagull, how he could not gather the courage to fight with fly in the sky, and then how his parents encouraged him and how he fly in the sky. Let's start with the lesson, his first flight. The young seagull was alone on the ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of the sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down, he felt certain that his wing would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge, where he slept at night. Even when he saw his brothers and his sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, he ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away. He failed to muster up the courage to take the plunge, which appeared him so desperate. His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him stop on his leg unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. Now, what we have to see? What is meant by seagull? Where it found? It found only on the seagull. That means समुद्र पक्षी. हा कुठे सापडतो मित्रांनो? हा सापडतो समुद्रावर. Now it is the story of young seagull. And what the writer says, the young seagull was alone on the ledge. Ledge means a narrow horizontal set protecting from wall or a cliff. छोटीशी कपार असते ना, त्या कपारीमध्ये हा सीगल राहत होता, एकटाच राहत होता. का बरं एकटा होता? पुढे आपल्याला कळेल. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. All of his brother and sister had flown away because they fly in the sky. He had been afraid to fly with them. Why he was alone? Because he was afraid to fly with them. He had not courage to fly in the open air. Somehow when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge, attempted to flap his wing, he had become afraid. Now, somehow he had taken little run. He walked little slow, but he did not go forward, run forward. To brink. Brink means what? The edge of steep place. He could not go to that steep place. उतारावर जाण्यासाठी तो घाबरायचा. And attempt to flap his wing, he become afraid. पंख फडफडायला लागला की भीती वाटायची आणि तो पुन्हा मागे यायचा, आपला एकटा बसायचा. The great expanse of the sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. मग कशाला घाबरायचा? The great expanse of the sea. समुद्राचा जो प्रचंड मोठा विस्तार आहे, ज्याला पाणीच पाणी दिसायचं, त्याला वाटायचं की मी त्या पाण्यामध्ये बुडतो की काय, म्हणून तो घाबरायचा. He felt that his wing would never support him. He also afraid because he thought that his wing never support him and he could not fly. He felt certain that his wing never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge. And he was afraid and come to the hole again. घाबरून पुन्हा त्याच्या होलमध्ये येऊन बसायचा. Where he slept at night. Where was the hole? Where he lived all the day and night. He was slept at that hole. Do you understand here? Okay. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wing and flew away, he failed to muster up the courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. His brother and little sister has been flown away. Their wings are shorter than him. Their wings are not as long as him. But they gather up the courage and fly. But he never gather up the courage, so he stay alone at that age. मित्रांनो, आपल्या आयुष्यात जर आपण एखादं गोष्ट करेज केलं नाही, कुठल्याही गोष्टीचं धाडस केलं नाही, नवीन वस्तू शिकण्याचं धाडस केलं नाही, तर आपल्याला ती कधीही करता येत नाही. आणि या पक्षाचं असं झालं की याने काही धाडस केलं नाही आणि म्हणून त्याला उठता आलं नाही. His father and mother had come around calling him shrilly, threatening him to let him stop on the ledge unless he flew away. His father and mother wanted that he fly like other brother and sister, but he never tried, and they threatened him that they would stay him alone, did not give food to eat him. आई वडिलांनी त्याला शेवटी धमकी दिली की तुला खायला प्यायला काही देणार नाही, एकटंच सोडू, तरीही त्याने तो प्रयत्न केला नाही. But for the life of him he could not move. He stayed there. Now second para. That was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. His parents nobody come near him. The day before, all the day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sisters, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive or fish. He had in fact seen his older brothers catch his first herring and devour it, standing on a rock while his parents circled around, raising a proud cackle, and all morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him for his cowardice. In second stanza, 24 hours he was alone. No one came to him. He was lived there at the ledge. The day before, all day long, he watched his parents flying about his brother and sister. His parents watching how his brothers and sisters flying in the air, and they perfecting them how to fly in the air perfectly. They have given them the training, and they also giving the training to skim the waves and how to dive the fish. संत वाहणाऱ्या लाटेवरनं कसा मासा पकडायचा याचं ते ट्रेनिंग देत होते आणि त्यांना उडण्याच्या विविध कला ट्रिक्स शिकवत होते. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it. त्याचा जो मोठा भाऊ होता त्याने काय केलं, पहिली शिकार केली. हेरिंग, हियर इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हेरिंग. व्हॉट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हेरिंग? अ सॉफ्ट फाईन सीफिश. छोटासा मासा त्याने पकडला आणि डिवोर मीन्स इट अप हंग्रीली. भुकेल्या असताना त्याला भूक लागलेली होती आणि पटकन त्याने तो गिळंकृत केला. Standing on a rock while his parents circle around, raising a proud cackle. आणि त्याच्या आजूबाजूला त्याचे वडिलांचे आई वडील बाजूने उभे राहिले आणि काय केलं त्यांनी, and all the morning the whole family had walked about on the bleak plateau midday down the opposite cliff, taunting him for the cowardice. Circle around him in a proud cackle म्हणजे किचकिवाट करत त्यांच्या भाषेमध्ये त्यांनी त्याचा अभिमान व्यक्त केला. हिअर इज द मीनिंग अटर अश्लील काय, जो त्याला चिअरअप केला आपल्या भाषेमध्ये. आणि all the morning all family come on a big plateau and walk on the big plateau and midday down the opposite cliff, taunting him for his cowardice. त्याच्या cowardice म्हणजे भित्रेपणाला सर्वजण taunting करत होते की तू किती भित्रा आहे त्याला सांगत होते. का बरं सांगत असतील ना मुलांना की त्याच्यामध्ये मस्त he must gather the courage and he could fly in the air. So they taunting him. Now third para. The sun was narrow, ascending the sky, blazing on his leg that faced the south. He felt that heat because he had not eaten since previous nightfall. Now the sun was ascending in the sky. म्हणजे सूर्य आता माथ्यावर एक चाललेला होता आणि दक्षिणेकडचा ही जो दक्षिणेकडची उन्हाची झळ होती ती त्याला अस्वस्थ करत होती. तो ते फेस करत होता, म्हणजे तो सहन करत होता आणि त्याला ती उष्णता जाणवत होती, कारण की त्याने काल रात्रीपासून काहीही खाल्लेलं नव्हतं, त्याच्या पोटामध्ये काहीही नव्हतं, एक रात्र एक दिवस काहीही नव्हतं. Now fourth para. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the lake and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing. He closed one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep. Still they took no notice of him. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their hands sunk into their necks. His father was peering the feathers on his white back. Only his mother was looking at him. She was standing on a little high hump on the plateau. Her white breast thrust forward. Now and again the tour of a fish that lay at her feet and then scraped each side of her beak on the rock. The sight of food maddened him. How he loved to hear food that way, scraping his beak now and again and wet it. Now, what is seen in the fourth para? We have to see. He stepped slowly out to brink of the ledge. He come out of the brink of the ledge, म्हणजे तो त्या कपारीपासून थोडासा पुढे चालत आला. And standing on one leg and other leg hidden under his wing. एका पायावर उभा राहिला आणि एक पाय त्यांनी लपवला. And he closed one eye and then other. डोळे मिटून उभा राहिला. And pretended to falling asleep. He pretended that he was falling asleep. He stand on one leg, hidden one leg, and pretended to be falling asleep. They still took no notice of him. Nobody can take notice of his pretendedness. He saw his two brothers and sisters lying on plateau with their heads shrunk into their necks. They were rested. His brothers and sisters rested. They put their neck in the wing. आपण झोपल्यानंतर मुंडकं कसं आपलं उशीवर ठेवतो तसं ते पक्षी आपले मान पंखामध्ये लपवत असतात, तसे ते बसलेले होते, झोपलेले होते. His father was peering the feathers on his white back, making an effort to clean feathers with the beak. आपले स्वच्छता करत होते पंखांची वडील त्याचे. Only his mother was looking at him. But mother is mother. She was looking at him. What are you doing? She was standing on a little high hump on the plateau. एका hump means a round raised mass of land. उंच अशा टेकडीवर ती त्या पिल्लाकडे उभं राहून पाहत होती. Her white breast thrust forward. ती चेस्ट अशी थोडीशी पुढे केली होती. Now again she tore at a piece of fish that lay at her feet. आणि तिने तिच्या पायामध्ये एक छोटासा फिशचा तुकडा धरला होता. And scratched each side of beak on the rock. आणि scrap means rub. तो तुकडा ती अशी घोळवत होती. The sight of that food maddened him. आणि ज्यावेळी त्याने हे पाहिलं त्यावेळी त्याची भूक चाळवली गेली. त्याला प्रचंड भूक लागली. आता कधी खायला मिळतं असं तो पाहू लागला. हाऊ ही लव्ह टू टिअर फूड दॅट वे. त्याला त्याच प्रकारे अन्न गुळून खायला आवडायचं. स्क्रॅपिंग हिज बीक नाऊ अँड अगेन टू व्हीट इट. स्क्रॅपिंग हिज बीक, त्याची चोच उघडायचा, झाकायचा. अँड व्हीट इट, शार्पन त्याला चोच तो इकडून त्याची धार करायचा आणि मग तो मासा तो खाऊन घ्यायचा. स्टुडंट, नाव इन दिस up to here we have to see that the little seagull did not gather up courage to fly in the sky. Then what he do? He came forward, but he was afraid of to see the expanse of the sea. His parents and his brother sister wanted he fly with them, but he could not gather the courage. Their parents taught those brothers and sisters the art of flying and catching the fish. But he could not gather up courage, and he pretended that he was very fast asleep. His mother was seeing that scene, and all the brothers and father neglected him. His mother has taken up a piece of fish and baked it. He loved that type of fish to eat up, but his mother could not give him.